Hello from Chef Diamond's Kitchen. How are you all doing? All my returning subscribers, thank you so much and thanks for your support. Thanks for always liking, commenting and coming in again. And if you have not subscribed before, please kindly subscribe today and turn on your notification button so that anytime I post a new video, you always see them. Let's get started. I have oiled my pan and I will be using chicken breast to make this shawarma. I sliced my chicken breast so tiny and I'm going to stir fry for a while till it turns white. We all know that chicken breast doesn't require lots of time to cook. So after cooking for a while, I will be adding some salt, curry powder and paprika. I will stir together till it combines. Now that it's ready, I'm going to take it off the heat and start cooking our shawarma bread. This shawarma bread, I will be cooking both sides by placing on the frying pan, heating both sides. Please, if you want to see how I made this shawarma bread, then please turn on your notification button because I will be posting this very soon. After heating them, I will take them off. And now I will start dressing. And here I have my carrots, cabbage, the chicken, ketchup, mayonnaise, onions and dressing yogurt. In this bowl, I have sliced cabbage, carrots and I will be adding some onions to it, mixing it together with mayonnaise. Now that I've mixed together, I will spread the shawarma bread and start adding the chicken breast and also the salads I mixed earlier. I will add the salads, dressing yogurt, ketchup and mayonnaise. Now that we have added everything together, we are going to start folding very carefully. Please allow your work to be very neat while doing this. Now that it's ready, I am going to take it to the frying pan again and heat very well both sides so that it will be very hot again and so that everything will combine very well. And now our shawarma is ready. This is so delicious and it was so hot. I will be enjoying this with cold juice. Thanks for watching this video. See you in my next video. Please leave me a comment below. I want to read from you where you are watching from so that I will appreciate you. Goodbye.